In today's video, I'll be talking about how to use chatbots to boost engagement and sales in digital marketing. Chatbots are AI-driven tools ranging from simple rule-based bots to advanced conversational agents that engage users by conversing in real time. They seamlessly integrate across websites, social media, apps, and messaging platforms such as WhatsApp or Messenger, ibm.com. Number 1, business benefits include 24 hours availability and instant responses. There's 24 hours availability and instant responses, multi-channel presence, cost and time efficiency over human agents. 2, key benefits: engagement and sales upliftment, round the clock engagement. There is also round the clock engagement. Both ensure your brand is always on. The boot will ensure that your brand is always on, creating regular touch points that keep users connected anytime and anywhere. If this is your first time on Any Empire TV, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop amazing video like this, you will be the first to see it and try it out. This consistency drives trust and encourages repeated actions. Instant personalized support. There's also the benefit of instant personalized support using CRM data. Chatbot tailored recommendations, like product suggestions and order tracking to each user's interest, helping reduce cart abandonment, increase conversion rates, e.g. www.chatway.app, lead qualifications and sales funnel. Chatbots can pre-screen visitors with targeted questions. Chatbot can pre-screen visitors with targeted questions, segment them by needs, and hand off warm leads to sales team, boosting qualification efficiency by up to 36% per marketer. Content and promotion delivery. There is also content and promotion delivery. They deliver blogs, promo codes or event info contextual to users' preferences, creating dynamic conversation over static content. Customer feedback and data insights, www.salesforce.com. Real-time feedback aids continuous strategy refinement. Real-time feedback aids continuous strategy refinement coupled with analytics. Analytics is also important. This makes chatbots a powerful tool for data-driven markets. It makes chatbot a powerful tool for data-driven markets. A, lead capture and qualification. Lead capture, proactive pop-ups prompt idle users by asking targeted qualifying questions like, what brings you here today? Asking targeted qualifying questions like, what brings you here today? Integrate with CRM to auto-pass valuable leads. E-commerce support. There's also e-commerce support. Product push. Suggest items based on browsing or cart content. Upsell, cross-sell prompts. Complementary item suggestions. Status updates. Let customers track order via chat. www.routers.com. C. Content and campaign distribution. Offer targeted blog posts and downloadable content. Share promo and launch details directly during chat. Feedback and survey. There's also feedback and surveys. Launch quick polls, post purchase and post chat. Feed insights into marketing performance metrics. If this is your first time on any Empire TV, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop amazing video like this, you'll be the first to see it and try it out. You can also give this video a thumbs up. Set up essentials. Identify a clear goal. Identify whether the chatbot purpose is to capture leads, promote sales, support customer service, or share content. Know your audience. Customize tone, complexity and messaging style to match audience demographic and channel behavior. Choose the right platform. It is also important that you choose the right platform. If you want to use chatbot to drive sales, it's important that you choose the right platform, from rule-based to AI-powered tools, e.g. Gumshop, Aptic, social intent, selected based on your technical needs and communication routes. Build and train the bot. There is also a need for you to build and train the bot. Use pre-built templates. You can use pre-built templates and tonal direction. Train it on real chat logs for empathy and accuracy, e.g. www.youtube.com. There's also a need for you to integrate channel and analytics. Deploy everywhere: web, social, mobile. Connect to CRM and analytics for tracking engagement. There's a need for you to track engagement, conversions and feedback, e.g. go to this website www.salesforce.com. All of these websites, I'll put them in the description of this video below. If you are willing to use chatbot to drive sales or to increase sales in your digital marketing business, comment yes in the description, in the comment section of this video. Optimize and maintain. There is also a need for you to optimize and maintain regular updates, conversational flows, refine based on metrics like response, drop-off, user satisfaction and sales uplift. Number 5, expert tips and cautions. Blend human plus AI. Use both for routine queries. Escalate humans for nuanced issues. Inject empathy. There is also a need for you to inject empathy, both that detect tones. Empathy responses improves long-term user engagement. There is a need for you to inject empathy. Use both that detect tones. Empathetic tones responses improve long-term user engagement. Security first. Mind data privacy and avoid insecure implementations. There is a need for you to mind data privacy and avoid insecure implementations. Now, let's quickly run down the objectives. Choose clear goals. Lead generation support. 2. Audience tailor content based on your market segmentation. Platform. Pick tools like social content, gobshop or Aptic. Training. Use real customer data. Start simple, then add AI. Integration. Connect with CRM, analytics, payment system. Monitoring. Track KPIs, NPS, conversion rate and ticket deferral. Optimization. A/B test flow responses. Offer regularly. By incorporating chatbots strategically across your campaign funnel, from lead generation to post-sales support, you can supercharge user engagement. It will help you to supercharge user engagement, increase conversions, reduce support cost, start small, learn fast, and scale with data-driven improvement. Thank you. See you in my next video.